Representative of the World Organization Against Torture here in Tunis, and we had the pleasure, together with our partner organization, Organisation contre la torture en Tunisie, today to meet with Minister Semir Didou to discuss the main recommendations of the national consultation that took place last month, where we discussed necessary reforms to prevent and eradicate torture and ill treatment here in Tunisia. One of the recommendations we would like to take up with quite some speedy moment is the establishment or discussions on the establishment of a national monitoring mechanism, a national mechanism to prevent torture. And we are very pleased that the ministry, the minister and the ministry told us that they would fully support such a first workshop to see how such a mechanism could be established and to move this forward in the next few months to still comply with the obligation of the ratification of the optional protocol to the Convention Against Torture, which tells us to come up with such a mechanism until summer this year. Thank you very much, and I'm very pleased to have all the support of your ministry in all these important endeavors that we share together.
Thank you.